Good morning, children. Today we will start up with this story, the sneeze. So, before starting up the story, let's quickly discuss with the mind map of the story. And as you can see, I have prepared masks here for the mind map so that you will remember what the story is about, and you are going to prepare in the same way. Now let's discuss about the author. The author is Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov was a Russian playwright and a short story writer who is considered to be among the greatest writers of the writers of short fiction in history. Now characters is Ivan Chervyakov, General Brezov, and Ivan's wife. Now setting is theater, Ivan's house, and General's office. The three places you will see, and that's why the story is also divided into three scenes. I have divided the story into three scenes: scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. You will come to know when we will discuss the story. Now, one important thing which I want to discuss about the story is the literary element of the story. And the literary element used in this story, it is a farce. And a farce, what is a farce? Now, it is a humorous play that presents ridiculous situations, comic dialogue, and physical humor. Now, why and how I can say that? I can say I am just summarizing the story for you. We will read the story and then we will know more about it. During the whole plot of the story, the main conflict was produced by a sneeze. Now the main character Ivan Chervyakov, he exaggerated his sneeze, transforming it into one of the worst and unpardonable events that could ever happen, and which led him which also and because of which he lost his life. So this is actually a farce, the element which is used in for the story. So in the next video we will discuss the story. Thank you, children. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.